Imagine waking up in the middle of the night to the sound of gushing water. Oh, a real-life nightmare. Hi, I'm Miriam Johnson, co-host of the TV series Home Time. Your home depends on a properly functioning plumbing system, but as a homeowner, you know a lot can go wrong. Clogs, leaks, broken pipes, burst washing machine hoses, and sewer backups can lead to costly repairs and damage to your home. So I'm here to give you some preventative steps to make sure that your plumbing doesn't keep you up at night. Burst washing machine hoses are a common cause of catastrophic water damage in homes. A burst-free hose like this can solve that potential problem. Look for leaks, drips, wet areas, and mold buildup around your dishwasher, under sinks, and around the water heater. These areas should be dry. Catching a water problem early can be an easy fix. Install a water shutoff device. When it comes in contact with water, it automatically shuts off your home's water. Pretty cool. Finally, know the location of your main water shutoff valve. It could be in your basement or in your yard. And be sure to mark it with a tag. Knowing where to shut off your home's water main could save you a lot of damage. You can avoid unexpected plumbing problems. Have a plumber perform a whole house inspection so that those drips don't turn into disasters. If you'd like more information about these preventative steps, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.